Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's October 2nd and we got like the next 10 days is going to be like in the low 50s and 70s, real low 80s, so maybe a little early, but I'm going to get some garlic in the ground right now. Now I know a lot of people plant big expanses of garlic, long rows. I have a small garden. I plant garlic where I can. Here's a couple tomatoes. If you haven't grown these little orange guys, you're missing out. Had a couple finish up. I pulled them out. I put a layer of compost in. And I'm still somebody who tills. So my little Honda mini tiller fixed this bed up for a couple inches down. Now I'm going to get my garlic going. Now, this is garlic from last year, probably grown in the exact same spot since I found the same label. Still stuck in. So, I'm going to lay these guys out. I've taken a couple apart. Now you get a pointy end and a flat end. The flat end goes down. That's where the roots are, or where they'll form. And I go, I'm guessing I'm 5 inches apart. Probably a little bit more than I need, considering that's bigger than the bulb will be. But that's what I'm going to do. We're going to get these guys started. These will go all winter. They'll go dormant. What I want right now is just roots. I want them to get rooted. I want some greens and some roots. Don't expect them to be making any bulbs. They won't do that till next year, but I need these plants moving along. Okay, I need a few more. What I find I can do is I can just run my finger between the bulbs, and then I'll give it a pull. And they'll come apart pretty easy. Don't worry about picking all the white stuff off. It'll rot down in a couple of days. Not going to cause any problems. Now, I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, where we don't get much in the way of cold, so these guys have been in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 months. I want to make sure they get enough chill to think that it's time to start growing again. No excuses. Got your soil worked up nice. It's extremely easy to plant these things. Just push them in. Okay, I got them all laid out. Now all I'm going to do is go back and give them a push. Down in there a little deeper. Be down about that deep. You may go deeper if you're up north. This has always worked for me here. Okay. Just smooth them out. And I've got my tape water here. Okay, that's got me started on my garlic. October 2nd, first of the garlic. Soil's been amended. Soil's got some compost in. I've broken it up with the tiller down to about 4 inches. Planted the garlic about 5 inches apart. I'll give this a water when I get a couple of other areas done. And the 2023 garlic harvest will be underway here in October 2022. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.